Hi, I'm Carrie Sherburne, Senior Editor at WhatTheyThink.com, and I'm here with Susan Moore, who's President of DPI in Atlanta. Welcome.
Thank you, Carrie. It's good to be here.
So, you know, you guys are doing a great job of, I guess you would call yourselves marketing services providers or whatever term it is we're going to use in the industry
Right.
for that, but you're doing a lot of integrated campaigns that include print and other media. Can you maybe talk about a particular customer case where you've been able to deliver exceptional results using these technologies or approaches?
Well, I think, you know, there's a lot of unique cases that, you know, the challenge in our business today is that you can cookie cutter part of what you do, but you really have to sit and listen to a marketer and understand how you can solve challenges for them. And we are, in essence, in the communication business. And if we don't come to terms with the fact that communication doesn't always mean print, it's electronic and print, and that's just going to be part of our business model as we grow. If we don't accept that, I don't think we'll be able to get through this generation, because as you can see, it's all about communicating in different ways.
Right.
So we've had to invest in different technologies so that when a client wants to approach a certain marketing message, that we can show them tools in our toolbox and talk about ways to execute, and execute effectively and measure. So Mindfire is one of the technologies that we have under our belts, which we were an early adopter of Mindfire. And what's been great is that, you know, from a company standpoint, when you buy software, you get the overall idea of what you want to do, but you don't always understand all the nuts and bolts of what makes it happen. And so Mindfire has been phenomenal in helping us along to understand how we get to where we need to go with their coaching sessions and their case studies, and sharing the knowledge that they have to make us better at basically understanding how we can help a client. So for us in this last year, we've been really pushing integrated marketing so that we can have a combination of a print and an electronic message, whether it be a combination of an email blast with a printed piece, or a combination of an interactive website with a printed piece, or just measuring the touches on a website. From my perspective, marketers today, it still surprises me how many don't measure their results. I mean, really measure their results. And what Mindfire does is gives us the tools to present the data back. And so with the customer, we can sit down, present the data back, look to see what went well, what didn't meet their expectations. It allows us, by being print on demand and using digital technology, to segment the test. We can test a small group one way and another group another way and see what works better, measure it, present the results back to the client, and instantaneous results. I mean, talking, you know, right when somebody goes, you can go online and daily and look at your traffic, and that's really important. So for us, basically, giving the information back to the marketeers to guide them in the decisions that they make for their communication, and that's.
And do you find that they're surprised by? I mean, because they've been for years doing, you know, static direct mail or dear name, first name kind of, you know, simple stuff. Do you find that they're surprised by the increased results?
I think that not only are they surprised, it still surprises me how many don't really understand how well you can measure. You know, after having Mindfire, I think we're going into our 4th year. It really surprises me that today I still end up talking to marketeers who don't really understand that they can truly measure their results, and that they can truly combine their interaction with print and electronic. I mean, tie it together and measure them as a unit.
And really make print interactive.
And make print interactive, which is what we have to do in order to be successful. So, so that surprises me. But, you know, again, it goes to speak to the fact that our industry is still growing. You know, we're still at the young age of our industry, and we still have a lot to learn. And so that's a key component of, you know, DScoop, this membership of getting together with our partners and having our partners help us see, you know, how we can reach out and improve our relationship with our clients and be more valuable to our customers.
That's great. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Carrie.